Welcome to Tech Scout, your premier educational source for discovering the high-tech industrial machines that power the backbone of modern civilization. Get ready to explore the tools that build, shape, and fuel our world. Grab a seat and some popcorn as we dive into the fascinating world of industrial machinery. And of course, if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to smash that like button. Watch as a high-powered laser slices perfect circles into metal sheets. This state-of-the-art laser cutter ensures minimal waste, smooth edges, and unmatched accuracy, making it indispensable for custom fabrication. Using time-tested sand casting techniques, this automated setup shapes molten metal into solid blocks. Despite its ancient roots, modern sand casting remains a cornerstone of heavy part production worldwide. Aggregates such as sand, fines, and fragmented material are conveyed via a belt system into a feed hopper. Through a combination of high thermal energy and compaction pressure, the unit densifies the mixture into structural bricks engineered for construction applications. In just milliseconds, this high-speed unit seals soda cans airtight. It crimps the lid with mechanical precision, preserving carbonation and ensuring product integrity at mass production scale. After sorting, fresh corn is swiftly packed for distribution. This automated line prioritizes hygiene and consistency, keeping food fresh while meeting global safety standards. These forged circular components are engineered to endure decades of use under extreme loads. You'll find them in aircraft engines, industrial turbines, and heavy-duty machinery across the globe. These high-speed block molders produce uniform pieces at an astonishing rate. Each block is precisely shaped for structural applications, streamlining large-scale construction projects. In this sequence, a curved wire is inserted into a heat-softened tube. This controlled process is vital in producing specialized components for electrical systems and mechanical assemblies. A heavy-duty log saw slices massive timber into planks with surgical precision. Horizontal sawing like this accelerates lumber processing and maximizes material yield for construction. Cylindrically formed metal sheets undergo precision punching, producing uniform apertures that enable seamless alignment and assembly with structural frames. With vacuum precision, meat is sealed in protective plastic to lock in freshness. These machines are designed for speed, food safety, and longer shelf life, ideal for commercial food production. Giant sheets of plastic are shredded into fine fragments, kick-starting the recycling process. This machinery plays a vital role in turning waste into reusable resources, reducing environmental impact. Stainless steel is precision formed into exact angles, a process that leverages its tensile strength and ductility. The result is high-integrity components engineered for durability and inherent corrosion resistance, critical for both architectural and industrial applications. Molten plastic is molded into boat hulls with seamless precision. Lightweight, tough, and rust-resistant, these plastic vessels are revolutionizing modern recreational and commercial watercraft. This advanced wire drawing system transforms raw metal into fine, continuous strands with incredible precision. Wire like this is vital across manufacturing, used in electronics, construction, automotive, and aerospace industries. Every item is sorted and aligned with robotic precision. This type of automation enhances speed, reduces human error, and slashes labor costs across logistics and packaging operations. From laser cutting to robotic packaging, these machines represent the cutting edge of industrial innovation. You've just seen the machinery that keeps our modern world in motion. Subscribe to Tech Scout for more educational journeys into the world of engineering and automation.